Well, happy birthday to me. Not actually my birthday, but every time I get a package from Ultrasabers, it always feels like my birthday. I took advantage of their blind bag / grab bag promotion they were doing, and I've always gotten great sabers from them before. So 2 other sabers I've gotten from the same deal are my Sentinel version 5. Love the windowed emitter. Great feel. Very solid. The second is my Apprentice version 4, but it's the LE, so it has the gold inlay. Again, windowed emitter, gotta love that. Now this one, I requested the Aegean silver blade, so I know what blade color it'll be, but I don't know what hilt. So let's see what I've gotten this time. I first found their sabers at the Fan Expo in Chicago. Their customer service is great, and I've never been disappointed with any of the pieces they've sent me, which is why I love the blind bag promotion, sort of letting the force choose what I get. All right, I've gotten it. Okay, let's see here. I also ordered a couple extra blades this time too, just in case aggressive negotiations go a little too far. And so those are the extra blades that I currently have. They have no color of their own. They're just to help replace anything that might happen. And now that is beautiful. Looks like it's a Sentinel, probably version 4. I'd have to look up and see what actual version this is. Of course, they always provide the hex key along with your instructions and your warranty information. And with the Aegean silver, I ordered color disc so I can replace the color anytime I'd like. Now, let's see what this looks like on. Easy to replace some of the batteries on these guys, and I know from experience that it's not going to go on as soon as you get it. They always disconnect the batteries. So let's see how she looks. May the force be with us. That is a thing of beauty. Love that window emitter. This is light, but it feels very heavy duty, great for dueling or display. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Ultrasabers unboxing, and may the force be with you.